Good morning, friends. We have to start now topic related with the circle. That is the last lecture related with the circle. So in circle already we discussed related with the different figure related with the chord. We have discussed diameter. We have discussed chord, diameter, radius, everything we have discussed. Now we go for related with the arc. So today's topic is angle subtended by arc of a circle. If two chords of a circle are equal, related we are discussed with the arc. So we can say here it is a arc. It is also called arc, that is AB arc and CD arc. So if two chords of a circle are equal, then their corresponding arc are congruent chords. Now here it is a chord. So their corresponding arcs are congruent, and conversely, if two arcs are congruent, then their corresponding chords are congruent. So if we'll say that line segment EB, that is chord, and CD chords are equal, then arc, that is AB arc and CD arc are also equal. Converse is what? If arc are equal, then chord AB is equal to CD. Chords are also equal. Now, second point, first point we have understand. Second, congruent arc of circle subtends equal angle at the center. See, here it is a arc. That is PQ is a arc. Now, congruent arc. So, if I will draw one another arc, AB, again subtends one angle. So, if arcs are equal, then angle subtended by the arc are also equal. Congruent arc of a circle subtends equal angle at the center. So here if it's 40, you will get same answer 40. Now we have to these are all the theorem for important. Angles in the same segment of circle are equal. So here if we'll say PQ is a minor arc. So A and C are in major arc. So here it is a major segment. So they are in major segment. See, PAQ is called angle formed by the segment PAQB. PAQP. So here it is a major segment. So now major segment is angles are all congruent. In major segment, that is PA. Important thing is you have to anyhow understand PAQ is equal to PCQ. Always remember, both are in same segment. And one relation I think here it is not described. Angle in semicircle is right angle. So if we draw one circle, semicircle, and if I draw one right angle, triangle, so it is always 90 degree. And third relation, that is P angle POQ is twice of angle PAQ, or we can say twice of angle PCQ. That is also you have to remember. Okay, now cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. That is angle here and here total is 180. A plus, so A plus C, that is 180, and B plus D, that is B and D, also 180. So theorem 10.1, sum of either pair of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals is 180, or sum of the pair of opposite angles in quadrilateral is 180, then quadrilateral is called cyclic. In cyclic quadrilateral we can say opposite angle sum 180. If opposite angle sum is 180, we can say it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now we go for exercise 10.5. So in exercise 10.5, in figure A, B, C are the 3 points on a circle with center O. So we have to first see the figure. So that type of figure in question. If D is in the point on circle other than arc ABC, D is a point at here. Find ADC. So we have to find out ADC. So first of all we have to find out AOC. That is AOC is equal to 90 degree. Then ADC is equal to dash. So 1 by 2 we can say angle AOC. So 1 by 2 into 90, that is 45. Let we see that way we can get answer or not. So first we have BOC is equal to 30, AOB 60. So AOC is equal to AOB plus BOC. So we can get 90. Now, okay, find ADC. So here is a statement. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by any point in the remaining part of circle. So here it is double. So now we go for solution. So twice ADC is equal to AOC. AOC, because it is in center, AOC is equal to twice ADC. So here it is 90 given. So 90 divided by 2, we can get 45. I think you have understand this sum properly. So here we can get answer 45. So ADC is equal to 45 degree. Now we go for next sum. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of circle. Important sum. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also on major arc. So if we draw one circle, if we draw one, or we have to draw one big circle. Now here it is a chord. We can say AB. Chord is equal to radius. So here we can say, here it is also R. Here it is also R. Here it is what they say, again it is R. So if it is equilateral triangle, chord is equal to the radius, so equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, angle is always 60 degree. So here we have get answer 60. Now if we go for here, then we can get answer 30 degree. And supplementary, so we can get here 150. So 60 degree we can get answer, 30 and 150 we have get answer. But we have to write the statement properly. So that is a first figure. We have to find out angle AOB, angle ACB and angle ADB. So first AO is equal to AOA, OB and AB. So triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. So here AOB is 60 degree. Now next AOB is equal to twice ACB. So ACB is equal to half of AOB, half of 60, that is 30. So here we have get answer 30 degree. Now ADB, it's a reflect of half the reflect of AOB. ADB is equal to, another way is what we have to do, supplementary angle. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 because it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So 30 plus angle D is equal to 180. So angle D is equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150. So we have get answer 60, 30 and 150 with one statement. So it is a GK based question and you have to properly understand. I think you have to write everything in your fair book. Now question number 3. First we see the figure. So here it is a one figure. Point on a circle. Here it is a circle. Find OPR. So OPR. So that we have to find out. First of all, here 100. So we can get easily this answer. So let me see that. So reflex of. So we can already say that we can get here POR, that is twice. So 200. So we have get the answer 200 at here. Now reflex of POR, so inside, that is 360 minus 200, 160. So POR inside, that is 160. Let me go deeply. Now OP is equal to R, that is radii. One angle is 160. So now triangle is like that. POR, here it is 160. Both are equal radii. So we can say these angles, opposite angles are equal. So 2x plus 160 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 160, that is 20. So 2x is equal to 20, so for x equal to 10 degree. So answer is 10 degree both. So again I explain properly. What is the first target? We have to find out the POR, that is 200. Afterward reflex of it, that is 360 minus 200, that is 160. Afterward in triangle I have to write in triangle POR. PO is equal to OR, so it is radius. So it's isosceles triangle. Now POR is equal to 160, that is 10, 10. How? But we can say that sum of triangle is 180. 180 minus 160, that is 20 divided by 2, 10. Now we go for next. In figure 10.8, so we have to show the figure, that type of figure is there. Find BDC. So we have to find out this. But if I will find out this, BAC is equal to BDC. Why? Because on same segment. Same segment. Let me see that how they are doing. So first 180, sum of triangle is 180. ABC plus ACB plus BAC is equal to 180. Sum of property, triangle sum of property is 180. 69 plus 31 plus BAC. So 180 minus 100, that is 80. So we have get angle A. Angle A is equal to 80. Or we know that 180 minus 69 minus 31. So 180 minus 100, that is 80. So one of the angle of triangle is 80 degree, that is BAC is equal to 80. So both are in the same segment. So BD is also 80 degree. I think it is also easy. Now we go for next sum. In figure ABCD are 4 points in a circle. So we have to draw one circle. You will see here this type of figure is that intersect at point E, that BEC is equal to 130, and ECD here it is 20 degree. Find BAC. So you will see that BAC and BDC both are on same segment. So if we will find out any one A, we can find out easily D. So to find out A, let me see how they are doing. So now BEC plus DEC is equal to 180, linear pair. You will see that here it is a straight line. it is a straight line, so linear pair. So 130, so here we have got 50 degree. So DEC, here we have got 50 degree also. Here we can also get 50, here we can get also 50. So triangle sum is what? Here it is 50 degree, here it is 20 degree. We can easily get this value. So in triangle DEC, sum of angle of property is 180. So 50 plus 20 plus DCE is equal to 180. So 180 minus 70 is 210. So here we have get 110. That is BDC. We get 110. But BDC is equal to BAC. It is also 110. Why? Because they are in same segment. So they are also in one same segment. So I have to write it here. That is BAC is equal to BDC. So here it is D. So BDC is equal to 110 degree. So that is chapter number 10 we have complete. Chapter 10, everything we have complete. Whatever I am explained, that you have to write in your fair book. So in next chapter we go for next topic.